Welcome to Townsend. We're glad to have you guys, almost all of you. We probably should have got a jump on this yesterday, but I'm going to give you a couple of things about our community. First, we want you to respect the area and respect the residents here.
But be safe. That's what we want for you guys. We want you to enjoy this and have a good time with it. Nobody wants to go to the hospital. You're up there on the mountain. Even if Blount County Rescue Squad is there, you're 45 minutes from the closest hospital. That's a long ride. Man, that's expensive.
Get some raffle tickets to win hopefully that bike or that bike or maybe another bike that's somewhere over here. They're giving away 3 bikes just like last year, and I can't wait to you know, if anything, if you don't win, the money goes to charity, to a great cause. It's a good stuff, so we can get over here and see if we can't get a winning ticket. And if you guys want to be real nosy, there's Airy Henning. Say a rye, but because I'm a redneck, but you know. But what I want to get is there's this awesome supermoto here. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but you know, it is what it is. We got slow races that will go on behind me here, and let's just take a tour of what's going on. How do you feel about today's slow race?
I don't know, it's gonna be really loud.
Really? Yeah, it's gonna be really loud. How do you feel about your competitor, George?
I don't know, I can't see him.
Can't see him. You can't hear him either.
Nope.
Anyway, let's see how George feels. George, how do you feel about the slow race today?
What?
How do you feel about the slow race?
There's a race?
Slow.
Slow?
Oh yeah, you can't hear because of exhaust. Good luck, buddy.
Thanks.
I must say, guys, the Crawl 2018 is not disappointing with all this slow racing, all these mini bikes, all these vendors. It's just an awesome deal. You know, big thank you to Movement Watches and Sunglasses for keeping me looking cool, if you will. But these sunglasses came in handy. But you know, later on they're going to be doing the raffle. I bought 5 tickets. We'll see if we can't win anything. We're going to watch some off-road racing. I don't think there's any spots left, so there's no racing for me, and that could be a good thing. So, and then tomorrow I think we're gonna go tackle the Dragon, maybe do the Cowie crawl run, and go have some fun. So enjoy the crawl. We'll see you on the Dragon. Who's the racer? Is this the racer?
Yeah.
What's your name, son?
Eli Tomac.
Eli Tomac. How do you feel, Eli?
I'm feeling pretty good. Those navies are non-existent.
Non-existent. Okay. What do you think about the track so far?
It's grassy.
Grassy.
It's dangerous.
Okay.
And they made me sign 2 waivers.
2 waivers. That's not good. Do you see they brought the EMT this year?
It makes sense.
All right. Well, what's your game plan? How are you going to win? What's your game plan?
I'm going to get in the back and hope everybody else crashes.
Smart game plan. Eli, good luck. I'll talk to you later, okay?
See you later.
I'm recording you.
Don't cross streams. Don't cross streams.